Guys, welcome back to my channel, and we are back with another real estate video. So if you've watched our video last year, you've seen some of the properties that Aaron has, and you'll see what we did with one of the last properties that was purchased. So today we are back in Virginia, Aaron's hometown, because we just acquired a new property last month. So we're gonna check out that property, see what's going on with it. The contractors just started working on it, what, 2 weeks ago?
Yeah, about 2 weeks ago.
2 weeks ago. So we're gonna go see the property, see what it looks like, because a lot of the what we've seen has either been online or him FaceTiming with the contractor to see all the work that is being done as it's being done. So this is the first time we'll be seeing this particular property, so I'm going to take you guys along to show you what the property looks like from our point of view for the first time actually seeing the property. So come with us so you guys can see our property.
You like my hair? She thinks, just put it. I see it. I like it.
He's been working with the contractor to get everything done. I think we just got a new roof. They've been working on it for about 2 weeks now. So I'm gonna take you guys inside so you can see the property. I'll show you guys what it looks like from outside. All right, so this is what the property looks like from outside. It's a multi-family unit, and basically what that means is that it's multiple units that more than one family can live in. So there's 2 units within this one property. This is the property right here. This is a 2-bedroom, 1 bathroom on this floor, and a 2-bedroom, 1 bathroom above there. So I'm gonna take you guys inside. It looks really crazy because it needs a lot of work. So I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like when the property is first purchased and how much work it actually needs. All right, so this is the condition of everything. Oh, they left the piano for us. There's no carpet on the floor.
This is the first apartment. This like the living room right here. These your contractors outside? Nah, they ain't here. I just talked to him. Well, he might work for him. I doubt it though. A lot of this wood is dry rotted because the ceiling was messed up. I mean, the roof was messed up.
The roof, they just fixed the roof, right?
Yeah, the roof fixed now. Well, they did a lot of work because this all was like, all this. You see how they put those boards right there? You gotta be careful when you go upstairs because.
So when they get into the unit, how do they get in from their unit to the other unit upstairs?
It's that door that brings you into this first unit. It's another door that goes straight to the steps to go up to the second unit.
All right, so I'm gonna show you guys what that looks like.
This is the kitchen right here.
So, okay. So this is one unit right here. So you walk in, and when you walk in, you're walking into this first unit. And then if you're upstairs, you would go upstairs to that unit right there.
This one is a 1 bedroom, 1 bathroom. But if we put a window here and build a closet, we can market this. You can market this as a 2 bedroom if we do that. It's gonna be the smallest bedroom ever. Right here. This would have to be like a kid's room or something like that. Playroom. Shit.
Or just knock this wall out, make a bigger kitchen.
That's probably the best. I mean,
Nah, you gotta have that second. If you got an option to have that second bedroom.
oh, it's only 1 bedroom.
Yeah.
So we have 2 people here with us today. We have Corey, who just invested in some real estate. This is one of my closest friends' husband, and he just invested into some real estate. So tell him about the real estate you invested in.
Oh well, my company's Madison Marine Investments, named after my 2 daughters. I'm with a small investment group of Venture Invest Partners, and we bought a small subdivision in Danville, Virginia. New construction. About to break ground probably in another 30 days. So we got big things coming. I'm here with Aaron and Kia, and I'm just amazed at everything that they're doing. And just trying to get some pointers from Aaron, and because he has a lot of knowledge, and I really appreciate his time.
So this is another bedroom right here. And then this right here is going to be the kitchen. I'm about to go upstairs to the other unit. I'm so scared to go upstairs, y'all. So the upstairs is actually what scares me the most, because the roof is not stable, and then I don't want to come falling down through the whole house. So I'm gonna show you guys what's going on up here. All right.
It's something underneath, but not much.
So this is the roof that they repaired. And I'm sorry the light is bad. I'm doing this on my iPhone.
I don't know. You know what I mean?
Honestly, I thought
We're here for the weekend, for 4th of July weekend. Aaron is actually from Virginia, which is why we have so many properties out here. Here's a bathroom.
It didn't have to came in a little bit though, right?
Keep in mind, they're working on all of
Slowly
this.
creeping down.
I don't know. He told me that he
And
could
look.
get an 8x4.
This is what I mean when you come into these
Like $6.
houses, you don't know what to expect.
So that's a big ass
I'm like
difference.
really
when you need
scared
that
to
much
walk
wood,
across.
You know what I mean? Because we got they're taking all of this stuff out.
All of it.
Well, not all of it, but
Yeah,
a lot of it.
yeah.
Anything that's dry rotting, I don't think this stuff needs it, but over there it does.
Cause it look like he
So what is
temporarily
this right here?
fixed
The
this
kitchen.
stuff.
The kitchen from
Oh,
there.
this is a living room. The kitchen back there. Back there in the corner.
And this is 2 bedrooms, 1 bathroom too, right?
Yeah, 2 bedrooms, 1 bathroom. The one downstairs is technically 1 bedroom, 1 bathroom. But we're gonna put a window in the small room,
Mm-hmm.
and then it's already got a closet, so that would be 2 bedrooms at that point.
This one looks bigger than the one downstairs.
It is.
Oh, yeah, they did do a lot.
Because downstairs they got a deck.
Oh, so the roof was just toe up.
It was.
Yeah, it's a whole new roof on the joint.
Yeah,
right
that's what I'm
now.
saying.
They just gotta close this shit up now. They're gonna have to put a lot of insulation up there too, because once they
Well, yeah.
like, see this beam right here, it gotta be replaced. See that? They don't even go to the. Oh, they replaced it already. You see the white board right there? They they call that, like, I think they call it sister. They put another board up there to support that. You see the one right there broke off, but they put another one there in place.
Nailed it to that and kept
Yeah.
it going.
Yeah, man. This
The bedroom. You can see they left they decorations here. But here's another bedroom. This bedroom is actually bigger than the other bedrooms. And it gets a pretty good amount of light. You said it was no mold in here?
That's just right there. I mean, you know, whatever.
Did the contractors lift up the carpet?
Yeah, they took all this stuff out. When I bought it, it was like stuff in here like people still living. This is gonna be a money maker though, for sure.
How long do you think this one is gonna take?
Like 6 to 8 weeks they told me.
6 to 8 weeks?
Yeah. They did the roof in 3 days.
Wow.
These dudes ain't fucking around. He came in.
These dudes like amazing.
This dude FaceTimed me on the roof at 7 o'clock on a Sunday morning. He was already on the damn roof and there was like 10 people up there with him. He ain't playing around.
Said 6 to 8 weeks like that because some of the other properties we thought they was gonna be 6 to 8 weeks and they ended up being like close to 6 months. So,
Yeah,
but the contractor that he has now is a really good contractor. He worked with the contractor on the last house, and they did a really good job on the last house. I think the last I actually posted that video on my last I posted that video in this last series, so I'll leave it right here. But the same contractor that did that house is actually working on this house.